friends, today I am going to explain a very important topic of science, that is photosynthesis. As all of us know that all the green plants are producers. They provide us food and we human beings are the consumers. We are known as consumer because we depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food requirements. Photosynthesis term is made up of two words. One word is photo and second synthesis. Photo means sunlight and synthesis means formation of food. So from their two words we can make the definition. Photosynthesis is a process in which food is prepared by plants in the presence of sunlight. इससे आपको क्या अंडरस्टैंड होता है कि जो प्रोसेस है फोटोसिंथेसिस, इट कैन अकर ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, इट कांट टेक प्लेस इन द नाइट टाइम. Here I have written the three main important terms of photosynthesis. First is the food is formed in leaves. There are various parts of the plants, but food is only formed in the leaves. Leaves are green in color. Leaves green color के होते हैं. Why they are green in color? Due to the pigment, and that pigment is known as the chlorophyll. Leaves are known as the food factory of plants because the food formed by the plants are stored here in the leaves. That's why they are known as the food factory of the plants, and production also takes place here. So these all three are the important points of the photosynthesis. Now we understand what are the raw material required by the plants for the process of photosynthesis. There are the three raw material that is required by the plants for the process of photosynthesis. First raw material is the carbon dioxide. As all of us know that carbon dioxide is a gas and it is present in nature in abundance because it is a pollution for the nature. Second raw material is water. Water is present in the soil, and from the soil water is absorbed by the roots of the plants. Third raw material is sunlight. Sunlight is also the raw material for the process of photosynthesis. Now we will understand one by one how the plant take the all three raw material from the nature. First, as all of us know that carbon dioxide is a gas and we can get it from the nature. If we observe the leaves very carefully under the microscope, you will observe the structure like this. आपको एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई देगा and there is an opening. This opening is known as the stomata, through which exchange of gases takes place. Means carbon dioxide come inside the plant and oxygen move out from the plants. And this stomata opening is guarded by two guard cell. It means carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plants through the stomata that is present on the leaf surface. Second raw material is the water. Water is absorbed by the roots of the plants. Roots absorb the water through a pull and that pull is known as the suction pull. जैसे हम एक स्ट्रो से हम वाटर सक करते हैं, सिमिलरली जो हमारे लीव्स होते हैं दे आल्सो एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर फ्रॉम द सोइल through a pull and that pull is known as the suction pull. Third raw material is sunlight. Sunlight is absorbed by the leaves Because leaf have a pigment, the name of that pigment is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll play an important role for absorption of sun rays. These all three are the raw material. Carbon dioxide, it is absorbed by the stomata present on the surface of leaves. Water, that is absorbed by the roots from the soil. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll pigment that is present on the surface of the leaves. This is all about the raw material that are required for the process of photosynthesis. Now I will explain you how to write the reaction of photosynthesis. फोटोसिंथेसिस हम रिएक्शन को टू टाइप से राइट करते हैं. एक हम जर्नल रिएक्शन राइट करते हैं वर्ड्स की फॉर्म में. सेकेंड वे जो हमारा राइट करने का होता है वो हमारा सिंबल की फॉर्म में होता है, केमिकल इक्वेशन की फॉर्म में राइट करने का होता है. तो दोनों ही रिएक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स जो केमिकल इक्वेशन राइट करते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस की, उसमें सिली मिस्टेक्स करते हैं. आज हम उन मिस्टेक्स को हम अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि हमने उन मिस्टेक्स को कैसे अवॉइड करना है. तो सबसे पहले हम राइट करते हैं जर्नल केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. फर्स्ट raw material that is required for the process of photosynthesis is the carbon dioxide. Second raw material is water and arrow. This arrow represent that reaction is moving in the forward direction. And we have to write the two words here. One is the sunlight and second is the chlorophyll. Because the sunlight is also the raw material required for the process of photosynthesis and it provide the heat. जब भी हम कुकिंग करते हैं घर पे तो कुकिंग के टाइम हमें रिक्वायर्ड क्या होती है, हीट प्रोसेस रिक्वायर्ड होता है. सिमिलरली प्लांट्स आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड द हीट and that heat is provided by the sunlight. Now the two products will be formed, carbohydrates plus oxygen. From here we can say that plants provide us two things with the help of the photosynthesis process. One is the carbohydrates, second one is the oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for all the living organism. Carbohydrate is the complex form. When we eat the food, we take the food in the form of carbohydrates, but after digestion, these carbohydrates get changes into the simplest form, and that simplest form is the glucose. This is the general reaction of the photosynthesis process. Now I am writing here the chemical reaction of the photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, the symbol of carbon dioxide is CO2. Students, हमने write कैसे करना है CO2? C should be capital, O is capital, but 2 never comes parallel to the O. We have to write it as a form of subscript. Plus H2 is also in the form of subscript O. Then sunlight, chlorophyll, and it forms C6H12O6 plus O2. C6H12O2 is the symbol of ग्लूकोज. ये फॉर्मूला होता है ग्लूकोज का. तो दिस इज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड H2, सनलाइट, क्लोरोफिल, C6H12O6 plus O2. This is the correct way to write the reaction of photosynthesis. So this is all about the reaction of photosynthesis. Thank you.